Have you ever heard of those little animals and seeds containing so much poison to kill about a dozen people? Toxins and poisons have been used since the dawn of man. From poisonous arrows to toxic potions, people have been incredibly creative in administering and making them. So today, we're going to dedicate this video to the deadliest poisons on the planet. Join us as we give you the answer to the question, how long can we survive with the world's deadliest poisons? Let's find out. Number 10. Brodie Frum. One of the deadliest rodenticides sold by the brands Jaguar and Havoc. These are used to kill rats and other rodents in a very special way. The person places the little green pills inside the food of rats. Once ingested, the poison will reduce the vitamin K levels in the body, causing internal bleeding and eventually death. Humans are advised to wear gloves when administering the poison because you can become exposed to it just by merely touching it. Number 9. Cyanide. Cyanide is the reason you shouldn't eat too many apple seeds at once. Plus, it was used by the Nazis to kill millions of people in their cruel concentration camps. It smells like almonds because almonds contain a small dose of cyanide, and you can find it in some apricot pits. The poison binds with the iron in your red blood cells, making your body incapable of carrying oxygen to the organs, and death sets in within minutes. Number 8. Tetrodotoxin. This is the toxin that's much more lethal than cyanide. It only takes 334 micrograms of tetrodotoxin per kilogram of body weight, where you'd need about 8.5 milligrams of cyanide per kilogram. The toxin is found in the Japanese delicacy pufferfish fugu, which causes numerous deaths in Japan every year due to improper preparation. If you like the first 3 picks, like the video in reciprocity, it helps us make these videos for you. Number 7. Meitoxin. This poison is produced and derived from a microorganism called Gambierdiscus toxicus, a type of dinoflagellates, and the Nicola group have been synthesizing it since 1996. It increases the flow of calcium ions through the heart muscle membrane, ending in heart failure. Coral reef fish are immune to the poison, which they ingest when feeding on the microorganism. Number 6. Strychnine. Derived from plants, strychnine is an extremely powerful neurotoxin that's a pesticide used to kill small rodents in the fields, as well as birds. When swallowed, it causes convulsions and contortions in the muscles, causing death through asphyxia. The victim dies within 2 to 3 hours of ingestion. Even though it's widely accessible, refrain from using it because it can be deadly to anyone who comes in contact with it, especially kids and pets. Number 5. Tetrodotoxin. BTX. 0.2 grams of BTX is enough to take down a human being. So where can you find it? It's usually found in poisonous frogs, which are only 1 inch long and have a distinctive radiant color, usually red, yellow, or blue. Any animal who licks or ingests the frog will become paralyzed and die quickly after. Plus, there's no known antidote for this toxin. If you want to, you can hold the frog in your hand. However, you should refrain from licking it. Oh, and wash your hands afterwards. Number 4. VX. VX is what was used to kill the brother of Kim Jong-un, Kim Jong-nam. Upon his arrival at the airport, one woman sprayed the gas on his face, and the dictator's brother was dead within an hour. 0.4 milligrams is all it takes to kill a healthy human being, and because it was so powerful, chemists banned it from conventional use all over the world, including the USA and USSR. Number 3. Ricin. Yet another poison used to kill a very important political figure. This time it was used to kill Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov in London 1978. And only a 2 milligram dose is lethal to human beings, by stopping the protein synthesis in the body, causing failure in organs like kidneys, the liver, and the CNS, causing a near immediate death. Number 2. Botulinum. Believe it or not, this toxin is used in Botox, where a small dose of the toxin causes muscles to freeze to reduce wrinkles in the skin. The poison is produced by the bacteria Clostridium botulinum and is so lethal that only around 100 nanograms ingested is considered a lethal dose. Number 1. Polonium. Presenting the deadliest substance known to man. Discovered by Pierre and Marie Curie, it's said that this substance is 250,000 times more potent than cyanide. Just to show you how strong that is, a single gram of polonium is enough to kill not 10, not 100, not 10,000, but 10 million people. And in order to produce just a few nanograms, the nuclear facility would need a few tons of uranium to obtain it. Because of its radiation, this is the worst of the worst toxins that were ever invented in a lab. Death comes within seconds. That's our list, guys. Hey, here's an interesting question. Have you ever encountered some of these deadly animals in your life? You can tell us in the comments section below. If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.